Why do you say you've kissed the ground I walked on? You should kill me, rather. So tired. If I could only rest. But I'm Seagull. No, no. I'm an actress. He's here too. No matter. He does not believe in the theatre. He always laughed at my dreams so that little by little I ceased to believe in them too. Then comes all the cares of love. The continual anxiety about my little one. So that soon I became trivial and spiritless, and I played my parts without meaning. I never knew what to do with my hands. I couldn't walk properly. I couldn't control my voice. You cannot imagine the state of mind of one who goes to a play and just knows how terrible he's doing. But I'm Seagull. No. That's not what I mean to say. Do you remember how you shot a seagull once? A man chanced to pass by and destroy it out of idleness. An idea for a short story, he said. But that's not what I mean to say. What was I saying? The stage. Yes. I've changed now, Konstatine. I act with joy and exultation, and I'm intoxicated by it, and I feel that I'm superb. Ever since I've been here, I've been walking and thinking, and I felt the spirit of myself. I felt the strength of it growing each day. I know now. I understand at last, Konstatine, that for us, whether we write or act, it's not about the honor or the glory. It's about the strength to endure. One must know how to bear one's cross, and one must have faith. I believe in, so I do not suffer so much. And when I think of my calling in life, I do not fear life.